Elders Corner.
My people, now welcome to Elders Corner TV News today. And na me, Eda 101, I want to talk the news. Before we go into the news, make I tell you now one small gossip. You know, being be part of this news, or not just gossip when I hear. Make I tell you now. You get one governor for Nigeria. The man, they say he get coronavirus. Now they come say make he stay isolation for inside the house. They come treat him for there. When I know say for Nigeria now only poor people they go isolation center. Now so the man come the house. 2 days later, now the deputy governor come to say make they swear him in as governor. Since governor they incapacitated, so that he go fit run the state where. As the governor here for isolation where he dey, the next 3 days, now result come outside say he don't dey negative. He resume work. Hi. Now the issue be say make government ask the man. He dey lie before say he get coronavirus when he no get am, or which drug when he take cure himself within 5 days, so that other people will use them. I no go tell you na him name. Muna Google and I go see him. Na gossip be this one. Now make we go to our main news today. The news for today. You say that one not be news. Now our news for today. Make we go the news headlamp. New style of stealing motor without quarrel. No blood, no gun, no knockout self. Now, make we go to the news in detail. Police. When I know say everybody they say we dey take police bad, but they still get some good one. They don't catch one boy where they snatch people, snatch people motor anyhow, recklessly. I know they catch him. You don't thief plenty motor. The boy come talk say in they focus on corporate taxes like Uber, Taxifier, and other corporate taxes. Say na them they focus on. How in they do them? The guy say he go just order for Uber or all those taxi for house. Say me they come pick up. He go dress up. As they just come, he go come and enter the motor. He will tell the driver say he won't pick a girlfriend for road. Say that they go on maybe one function. Driver go drive. When they reach the place, it go be residential area, so that driver no go suspect foul play. He go just reach there, come see me driver stop. He go come they call, shred the girl, say, you come outside now. My money they read though. This is not pay as you go. You can't quarrel. Come wait. Small time you go tell drivers I beg, make you day a little patient I beg. A little patient. After small time, he go come say okay, what you go do now be say. He go come out. Come say make you go buy something. He go buy Coke too. As he buy the 2 Coke or Sprite or Fanta. He go just enter motor, open and pack the 2 of them. Begin drink one, give driver one. Say thank you for now to say thank you, appreciate you. And as you take, get patient. Now so driver go drink go back him. He go drink his own. Less than 3 minutes. The next driver don't sleep deep. He go come out for where he dey. Shift the driver go inside. Then drive the motor come out. When they reach lonely place, he go stop. He be like say they carry pillow. He go come stop. Carry driver out of the motor. Put pillow for him, make it for sleep where. Then he go thief the motor. You see, he don't thief plenty motor. Me no be like say I just deform this story. Make we hear police PRO for where for talk this matter. Or ya mona watch am.
We have a suspect who is a specialist in snatching cars. His modus operandi essentially, which we hope he would demonstrate here today, is to board either Uber taxis, Taxify, or take any kind of car hire service or services, get to a preferred and safe destination point and pretend to be waiting for somebody. As the waiting game is ongoing, it will pretend to be a nice and hospitable client, step outside, get maybe 2 bottles of Coke or any other packed juice, 2 identical products usually, keep the same one for himself, and then quickly drug or open and add some drugs into the other bottles or container, as the case may be. It will serve the driver. Few minutes or few seconds later, depending on the capacity of the driver to resist those drugs, the driver will obviously slump into unconsciousness. He will carefully drop you out of the car and drive the car away. That's his modus operandi.
Una don see am? Una don see am abi? So the advice for this thing be say, if you know say you dey drive, you be driver of Uber or Taxify and all those things. If anybody offer you anything, sweet o, chewing gum o, water, pure water, bottled water, for where they go, no take. No, some of driver long truth because of coke where you go fit buy, you go just collect you too like free thing. People too like get long truth. Now make some people they fight for wedding because of drink. So you drivers, if anybody give you anything inside motor, a passenger, your customer, no take, tell them thank you. If he vex, but that thank you when you tell them, it will save you for the loss of losing your car. You hear them? Because how you want to even explain that? If they drive for person, you tell them say I carry one passenger, he can't give me Sprite, I drink her. The next thing they sleep on near road with pillow for my head, and he don't thief the motor. It makes sense. So I beg, make sure say una no collect anything edible from anybody where you carry. It go save you. So if you, as they watch us now, make sure say if your son they drive Uber, or you they drive, or your friend they drive, or your brother they drive, send this video to him so that he go learn this lesson. Now he make us they bring all these things so that people go hear them. My people, now so our news reach today. And the news they reach now for Elders Corner, and I mean Elder 101 they bring the news. Before we go come out, make we go Elders Dictionary. On I know say who they sell egg for market, you know they first start fight for inside that same market. If you're smart, you go know the meaning of the adage now. And my people, I saw the news reach today. Make sure say you follow us on our social media, on our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We there for all of that places. I be wanna follow us because una know say if una no dey there, we no go fit dey here. My people, una thank. I just make a thank una because una dey try well. Make I go bring the other news and they come back again. Una well done.
Elders Corner.